Hello, everyone. My name is Gabrielle Morales, and I'm excited to share my STEM project titled Earth Day Superheroes. This unit was designed to teach students about environmental responsibility while empowering them to see themselves as change makers. The Earth Day Superheroes project is built around the question, how can we care for the Earth? Students explore Earth Day themes, and the goal is for students to understand that their actions, no matter how small, can have a significant impact. The project integrates science, writing, art, and digital publishing, allowing students to build both knowledge and creativity. This unit helps students connect to real world environmental issues through age appropriate action. The key learning goals include understanding the importance of the earth and taking care of it, expressing their ideas through writing, and collaborating with peers on creative technology based activities. It's designed to foster environmental awareness, strengthen foundational literacy skills, and encourage responsible citizenship. The core activities for each lesson include a read aloud and discussion of Earth Day books, a technological experience tailored to the lesson, and an assessment of student knowledge. All activities were designed to be accessible, hands on, and engaging for young learners. Here are a few examples of highlighted lesson plans within the unit. The first is Quiver Vision AR, an augmented reality pollution activity where students engage in an AR interaction that allows them to create a clean or polluted earth using the Quiver Vision AR app. Another lesson plan within the unit involves using Bee-Bot robots. The students code these robots and engage them in a litter cleanup. The last highlighted lesson and culminating unit plan project is for students to create an Earth Day advocacy video, digital poster, or digital book to present during a school-wide Earth Day showcase. These are made using the Do Ink green screen app, a digital poster with Apple Keynote, or using a digital book with Apple Pages. As students progress through each of these lessons, they are required to complete missions where they will upload a video or a picture of their finished work into their own Earth Day badge book using the Keynote app. Once students earn all 6 badges, they officially become part of the CAS Planet Protectors team and receive their superhero certificates. This badging system enhances motivation and engagement with the students, promotes the practical application of knowledge in real world settings, encourages ownership of learning, and fosters a sense of collaboration and community. Assessments during this unit are both formative and summative. They include self reflection rubrics for the students and teacher observation checklists. This enables students to take ownership of their work and reflect on their environmental impact. This project is also highly interdisciplinary, combining literacy, social emotional learning, visual arts, and social studies, along with science and technology. Students work on reading nonfiction texts about Earth Day issues, writing about Earth Day issues and solutions, and creating Earth Day advocacy books, posters, or videos. This blend makes for learning being authentic, meaningful, and fun. This project is also highlighted in the Kindergarten STEM Science Earth Day website, where families and the school community can explore lessons and resources. This website will also showcase the students' projects, giving them a platform to share their voices and celebrate their learning with a broader audience, while reinforcing the idea that everyone has a role in protecting our Earth. And we'll just take a look at the website. Here is the homepage of the website. And the tabs along the top show the different parts of the website. So there are Earth Day lessons here for educators and families alike, full lesson plans along with the presentations that accompany them. The next tab is the weekly challenges that has all of the missions and the badges the students will earn, along with the Earth Day badge book. There are also resources here for each of the lessons. So for each of the lessons, there are a few videos along with some worksheets that go along with it. So there is the read aloud book. There is an additional content resource video about the content area. There is a video regarding how to use the technology, and then a worksheet to go along with it. For the Culminating project, the Earth Day advocacy projects, there are videos on how to make a poster in Keynote, how to make a book in Apple Pages, and how to make a video using the Do Ink app, as well as an Earth Day planning sheet for those final projects. And on the bottom of this resource page, there is also additional read aloud books and Earth Day songs. As far as assessments, here we have student rubrics where the students can keep track of their own work and take ownership of their learning. So here are rubrics for each of the lessons, as well as to mirror this, there are teacher observation checklists to go along with these rubrics. And the last tab is the student advocacy projects. So along with the school-wide showcase of the Earth Day projects, the students will also post their projects here for the wider community to use as a resource to save the Earth. The biggest takeaway from this unit is that young learners can take ownership of real world problems when they feel empowered and supported. By combining literacy, science, and creativity, students develop both content knowledge and a sense of agency. They didn't just learn about Earth Day, they become Earth Day heroes, using their voices and imaginations to inspire others. In conclusion, the Earth Day Superheroes Project is a meaningful and memorable way to celebrate student learning, creativity, and civic responsibility. It gives students the tools to think critically, act compassionately, and express themselves in a powerful way. So thank you for your time, and I encourage you to visit the website. Take care.